finally, buyers are getting a bit of a break with today's update, as it has to do with January's news regarding the new loan level price adjustments that were coming out on conventional mortgages. Hey everybody, Rick Harter here, your Mountains to Sound mortgage guide, and I've got this week's Mortgage Minute. So after the lending industry came out in full force against new upfront fees based on borrowers' debt to income ratios, the Federal Housing Finance Agency, the FHFA, has announced a delay in the implementation, pushing their effective date back by about 3 months. Hey, the fees on these would have been levied on loans with debt to income ratios of 40% or higher, and it was set to go into effect May 1st. Their implementation has now been postponed to August 1st, quote, to ensure a level playing field for all lenders to have sufficient time to deploy the fee. Heck, none of the lenders wanted to deploy the fee, so that's kind of silly. But hey, according to the statement from the FHFA, now these fees were announced in January as part of a new redesigned grids of loan level fees for the two government-sponsored agencies, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. The announcement of these loan level price adjustments pretty much elicited immediate near universal criticism from lenders, brokers, and other industry stakeholders because it was not good for the consumer. The FHFA cited feedback from mortgage industry about the operational challenges of implementing these debt to income ratio based fees in its decision to reschedule and postpone the rollout. Now, what's this mean for you? Well, hey, as much as I would rather see them completely reconsider these fees and interest rate hikes in these higher debt to income mortgages, I will remain thankful for those who decide to take action now, that's you, who might benefit by this delay. If you're considering buying a home, then it is absolutely in your best interest to at least start the pre-approval process just in case you happen to find that home of your dreams during a time when the fees and rates may be less if you act sooner rather than later. So what do we need to do? You need to call me, text me, and hey, let's start a conversation about how you can begin the journey towards home ownership. Hey, I'm Rick Harter. I am your Mountains to Sound mortgage guide, and this was your latest Mortgage Minute. All right, call me.